Today I'll be going over a trade breakdown, what I've seen in the markets, what made me take this trade, and also how it can maybe help you. Make sure you guys like and subscribe if you're not already, and also use code FTG to get 30% off the Focus Trading course and also the Focus Circle. Alright guys, let's get into it. Alright guys, so hopping over to the charts, I'm going to show you guys what I've seen, what made me take this trade, and also how it can help you guys when it comes to the market being very volatile. Patience can help you. All right, over here on the left side I have the 5 minute, 2 minute, and I have the 15 minute and the 4 hour. All right guys, so I always use them together, either or. All right, always have two charts up at one time. Okay, so my favorite ones is the 15 minute, the 5 minute, and the 2 minute. The 4 hour I just look at, or this just to get an overall picture. I always want to see the bigger picture. All right guys, so let's go over this. I have this trade marked out. I'm gonna show you guys exactly where I entered, what I seen when I was entering, all right, and where I exited. Okay, quick scout. It's marked off right here, this recent high. Okay, it's because when we started to trend right here, okay, we at this line we started to trend, right? We came down here and tapped this level. Okay, I see equal lows, right? Equal lows. We come down here, grab these lows. We start to push up, all right? At the same time, I'm looking at the 15 minute. Over on the 15 minute, I see we have some strong momentum. We had a level, and also we still have a gap that needs to be filled. So I was paying attention to that, and also how the gap, how we close, all right? If we close inside of the gap, that shows signs of respect. Okay, if we close outside of the gap, that showed signs of disrespect, so we would have been bullish. All right, if we close outside of the gap, right? But since we closed inside of the gap, I was looking for us to sell back down, back into the same level we started from. Okay, because as you can see, this whole day basically selling off. Okay, so you want to be looking for sales, but also you want to be very careful. You don't want to chase the sale, all right, because we can easily blow an account, all right, chasing the sale. You want to make sure the timing is right, and also be aware of your levels. All right, if you're at a key level like down here where I have this marked out, if you're at a key level, you always want to be aware of a potential reversal. Okay, always aware of potential reversal, because we're right here at these levels. And guess what we did? As soon as we tapped this level, we came up here, reverse, came all the way up here, and I watched this fair value gap to see if we closed inside. I seen us wick off. All right, I was patient. I stayed patient, waited for us to close, and once I seen the sell candle, that's when I got in. All right guys, that's when I got in. So you guys always want to, be aware and have at least three confluences. Okay, have a reason why, have these reasons lined up. Why did you get in the trade? All right, you always want to have that. You always want to ask yourself. I know we open up the chart sometimes and just we're ready to go. I get it, sometimes it's like that. You're not the only one. I experienced that type of thing before as well. We're so hungry, eager to get into the markets and make some money. I understand, but I want us to always be aware of what we're doing and why we're doing it. Okay, and not let our emotions, get involved when it comes to this. All right, because as a trader, I know what it's like. We see money. All right, when we see a big move, I could have took this move, or I could have took that move, but every move is not necessarily the best move, or you could have a great move, but it's just timing, guys. A lot of this is just timing. So if you time the market right, there's plenty of times that I got in, on a great move, right? But the timing, all right, so the timing. So over time I learned from this. We'll go up and come right back down to the intended target. So you were right in the long run, but on a short term, wanted to break down a quick, give you guys some advice, break down a few things. I made 250 today. All right, I went in light. We got very volatile around 12 o'clock. I got in a little bit late today, so we got very volatile. The market got very volatile, so I waited, plotted my position. All right, and I plotted my position and I waited until we closed in the fair value gap right here. All right, I have a couple confirmations. The trend is still on a larger time frame. Yes. All right, we have the fair value gap right here. All right, we respected the fair value gap. Once I seen this large engulfing candle, okay, that's what made me go for my move. All right, that's what made me, okay, let me know that, all right, we may be returning back down to this level. All right, right here. That's what made me, all right, but it was very volatile. It's moving a bit slower now, but lunchtime was very volatile. So that means it was a lot of orders being filled around those times. Big banks goes on break for about a half hour at this time, and a lot of people orders coming in very fast. So market is jumping up and down. I just want you guys to see. So I entered right here. All right, once I seen this engulfing candle, all right, after this next one, this third candle came down, and I got straight out of the markets, guys. All right, I knew we'd be returning back down this level, but I also wanted to be cautious because we was around the level. All right, you guys, so quick 250 just to be safe. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, and don't forget, go FTG, you get 30% off the focus trading course and also the focus circle. We can trade together like this. All right, do the same analysis, and we're live in the markets. Okay, you don't have to trade alone, or I'm here. All right, and also I do one-on-one coaching. Links will be in the description, and that's all I got for you guys. Peace.